Welcome back, it's Fabulous TT, and we're coming with another unboxing. I know y'all miss me, I've been doing shorts, whatever, but I'm back with an unboxing of some products. We ain't did products in a while, so we here today. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, be the part of TT Squad. I'm on my way to work. As y'all can see, I got my work clothes on, whatever. So yeah, let's get into it. And by the way, I got my hair done last week. How y'all like it? It's real cute and long and gold with my little fill-in set. So yeah, shout out to my hairstylist and my nail tech to keep me cute always. But let's get right into it. So as y'all can see, this is Clean Skin Care Club. So yeah, we got two products today. They are great products. I can tell you that right now. So I don't know why they put it in this little bag. Like, I'm having a hard time getting it out. Thought I had cut it enough to get it out. Always say, here we go. So yeah, Clean Skin Club. Got some clean towelettes, 50 count. And then I got the cleanser. I think that's what it's called. Boy, they bubble wrap this baby. Thank you, Clean Skin Club. Love it. And this is the Fortifying Cleanser. Pretty packaging. Love it. So we're going to go ahead and open this one. This is called the You Do You Fortifying Cleanser. Honeydew White Tea. Nice size. Like, I didn't think it would be that big. So they have the directions. Let me just read it a little bit for you guys. So it says, dampen face, dispense 1 or 2 pumps of cleanser onto wet fingertips. Then gently massage into face and neck for 15 to 30 minutes. Rinse freely with a pat try with our clean towels to finish. So that's great. So yeah, so this is my first time trying their products. Oh, so pretty. Look how beautiful this is, guys. So beautiful. Like, this is regular. I did not look up my prices right now, but I want to say this is like between $30 to $35. The cleanser is very beautiful. It has a little pump right here. So got the cleanser. And then the clean towels. Let's see. Hold on one second, guys. I'm back, guys. So I didn't know they was going to wrap it like this. Like, I love it. So we're going to get this open because I want to show you guys how big the towelettes are. Like I said, you get 50 count. So that's good. All right. So here she is, the towelettes. They have it where you can open right here. Don't want to break a nail. Let's see how to open it. Okay. Jeez. Oh. Really? Baby, y'all packaging is bomb, okay? Like, help. All right, so kind of tore it a little bit, but yeah, it's kind of hard to film. Like trying to film on camera and try to open products at the same time. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Probably wasn't supposed to open that way, but this how it looks. Oh, they really thick, y'all. Like, super thick. We're going to take out one. Oh, wow. It feels like a real towel. Like, so you're going to damp face squirt 2. And while you rubbing it in, you can use your towelette And yeah, really thick, durable. So go ahead and go to their website, www.cleanskinclub.com. They do have an Instagram where you guys can order this stuff. I am going to get the Mango Cream next and the Vitamin C Booster Lightener. That is coming next on my to-do list. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, be a part of TT Squad. Thank you so much. And go ahead and get yourself Clean Skin Care Club. Bye.